Hello friends, peace be upon you. Many videos have already been made regarding text-to-speech. Now, we will see that there are older versions of Microsoft Word. As I have the 2013 version of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2013 is a version of the popular word processing software developed by Microsoft. And, in this when I open a new document. So, there is no text-to-speech option here. But, the text-to-speech options are hidden here. We will enable these options here. So, let's get started. You are looking at this icon here. This is for Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it and then go to More Commands. This will open up Word options. Here are the popular commands. You have to select all commands from Choose Commands. After selecting all commands, you have to scroll down. You have to select the Speak and add it. This will be added to the right. This is for Customize Quick Access Toolbar. After that you have to click on OK. Now, you will see the Speak selected text icon at the top. Now, if we write some text here, or copy and paste any text here, and then we'll see how text-to-speech will work. I wrote a sentence. Get the official YouTube app on Android phones and tablets. Here you will have to select this text. Otherwise text-to-speech will not work. You can also see here that it says, Speak selected text. After selecting the text, we will click on this icon.
Get the official YouTube app on Android phones and tablets.
So, you see that it has converted text into speech. You heard this, male voice. We can also convert this voice into a female voice. For this you have to open the Control Panel. Control Panel in Windows is a central hub for managing system settings. By default, it looks something like this. If you select Small Icons. Now, click on Speech Recognition. Or, press the Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus S to open the Setup Speech Recognition wizard. Now, you will click on Text-to-Speech. The male voice was selected in the Voice selection. Select Female Voice, that is Microsoft Zero Desktop, United States. This voice will tell you by speaking that you have selected this voice. Now we will click on Apply and OK. Now, we will play this text in the Word and see.
Get the official YouTube app on Android phones and tablets.
So, you saw that it converted to a female voice. You can select it again as a male voice. Select that male voice. And click on Apply and OK. And, you can listen to it by playing it again. This is Microsoft Word's hidden text-to-speech option, which we have enabled here. You have an old version of Microsoft Word 2013, 2016 or 2019. This is how you can enable the text-to-speech option. If you liked this video about text-to-speech, please like and subscribe. You will definitely like this video. And thanks for watching.